blockchain technology is definitely gonna replace the age-old transaction systems, or be it the financial sector, because there's a lot of technology and thought process that new startups are bringing into, and there's a lot of disruption and stuff like that in this space. So yes, this technology is definitely the future of the world. At EVC, we just have a very simple thought process. If you have a good go-to-market strategy, if you have your financials in place, if you have if you have a clear proof of concept and you know where you want to go, right, no one can stop you, right? So be forces of nature and dream big, because small dreams have no magic in it. So all the best.
Blockchain kind of is based out of crypto. It has got a lot of cryptic parts involved, right? And every ledger, the transaction in every ledger is being added with some crypto to identify uniquely, as well as link between two transactions of the ledger, right? So the model in which working with the blockchain ledger, if that is rightly done, and the data that is there in the blockchain is protected, right? And it is it's not somebody, it is available to everybody, but it is available to the authenticated guys, right? So it's about how well somebody is going to use it and rightly, and to protect the data, and that's going to really make a difference in terms of how secure the data contents are.
So as we enhance our partnership and engagement with leading VCs like EVC Ventures, so we will cover lot more breadth in terms of horizontal technologies and industry domains. And since Oracle provides solutions across industry, across technologies, so we want startups to make the best use of all the resources and the technology resources that we can provide, and also use us as their de facto technology partner. So in fact, venture capitalists also, and before we connect them to our enterprise customers, they expect us to curate these startups, and this is of big interest to the VCs like EVC Ventures. So overall, it's a win-win for all the three parties.
The role of startups in the current world of the technology is that most of the big entities are legacy. They are behemoths. They have got organizations to fulfill. They have quarter-to-quarter requirements. While startups think innovatively, they can create disruptive environments and business models. And a lot of industries look forward to the startups, even the government, to try and create solutions which can address their requirements and needs and co-opt them into their functioning.